Fullerton. Here we have this really shitty elevator. I believe it's either a Dover or a Montgomery. Like everything else on the red line. It's Montgomery. There's your lantern. Just a regular CTA cab. And then here's your certificate. It's a hydro. And yeah, just look how fucking grotty this thing is. And this is the story with just about all the elevators on the CTA. I know I don't film many of them, but I really should start because they're kind of interesting. All right, down to the street. All right, here we go. It's really dark in this thing. Lighting isn't usually a thing that's done very well in these elevators. And then here we are at the bottom. Sounds like a train is here. Not sure what that was about. Oops, I accidentally stopped the video. Didn't mean to do that. Anyway, we're gonna watch it go back down. Watch it go down. Perhaps we can see the car top and see who makes it. I can't tell. There's your car top. There it goes. And anyway,